Hi, this is Dell3524 here, and today we're going to be doing a memory RAM upgrade on the Dell Optiplex 760. Alright, so to open the computer, you're going to pull back on this tab, and this cover is going to come off. I already pulled it off. And then this is what it's going to look like on the inside. Alright, so to upgrade the RAM, what you're going to have to do here is pull up on this blue tab, and then slide back with the DVD drive, and then lift that up, and pull that out of the way. Alright, so depending how much is installed already, you're going to see 4 slots right here with these sticks. You may have 3 open, 2 open, 1 open. This will work either way. So we have a 1 gig stick of DDR2 RAM running at, I believe, 666 megahertz. Yep. So let's go ahead and install this in. Alright, so you're going to notice there's a slot opening here, and there's a slot open on the rail. So what you're going to take this open slot, and you're going to line it up with this to put it in. Make sure your computer is unplugged before you do this to avoid damage. And then all you're going to do is take both hands and push down on each side till it clicks on each side. Then you're going to want to take your DVD drive and flip it back over and line it up and push down till make sure all the screws line up. Then once you get those lined up, all you got to do is push it back in until it clicks. And then you're going to take the cover, make sure it's lined up, and then push down until it clicks. And then once you start up the computer, it's going to tell you that the system memory has changed. All you're going to have to do is hit F1 to continue, and it will boot with your new RAM in it. If you have any comments, questions below, we'll see you on the next video.